Once again, worked the ALTEC a little bit. Service manager at the place is working the boom, working the dump. Got any questions, he's happy to answer them for you. Always good to talk to a service manager. Truck's very clean, tires are 90% plus. Got a little Kubota gas pony motor.